we have Adam's side. And as you can see, they're learning the steps right now, right before your very eyes, okay? Now they're doing a quick piece of choreography, okay? They have two more dancers doing the same move. And then we're gonna go into some improv, which is making it up as you go along. In hip hop, we call it freestyle. Everybody say freestyle? Okay, so it looks like Adam's putting his final touches. I think Mo's just about done. So this is what we're gonna ask for you guys. Right now, put your hands together for your friends up here, your students, your kids. So make some noise right now. Come on, let them hear, let them hear. We got Adam's group first. Here we go. Check them out. Yeah. Nice. Raise the roof right there. Yeah. Give them a good round of applause. Support them. We got Mo's group, right? We got Mo's group. Check them out. Yeah. Check them out. That's right. Do some top rocket, do some footwork. Let's do some kick-outs. Yo, make some noise. That's right. Let's see what they can do now, one at a time. Let's go.
Did you ever do a battle?
Here we go.
Go, Jamie!
Check it out. Make some noise, y'all. Come on.
Woo!
All right. Here we go. Check them out. Put your hands together, y'all. Check them out. Yeah. All right. Put your hands together, y'all. Check them out. Do some kick-outs, do some footwork. Let's do a tornado spin. Check them out. Big round of applause, y'all. Come on, show some love.
Woo!
That's right. Big round of applause, man. That's right. Check out the little ones, y'all. Make some noise, y'all. Come on. Show some love. That's right. Go in a circle. There you go. Follow Mo. Cross your arms. Big round of applause, y'all. Come on. All right. One time real quick, put your hands together for everybody that was up here participating. That's right. Let's show them our support. Real quick, we're going to say our names. We're going to walk back to your seat. Your name. Thank you. Give it up for your name, sir.
James.
Give it up for James. Thank you, James. Give it up for Abby. All right, your name. Audrey. Give it up for Audrey. Your name, sir. Eli. Give it up for Eli. Your name. B-Boy Michael doing the work. That's right.
That's cute.
Your name.
B-Girl James.
Your name. B-Girl Kennedy. That's right. All right, one more time. Let's give them all a big round of applause. That's right.